Hello and welcome to this special session on tips to face theory of computation examination. It is my suggestion, okay, TOC. This is my suggestion, this is not my advice. You can carry on your own preparation, the method that you are following. But I felt like giving you some tips regarding how to face theory of computation examination that is bounded by 3 hours. Time management is very important here, and it is the trickiest subject course, I know, we all know. Now what you do is, from my point of view, there are mainly major concepts that we have is designing of DFA, designing or writing regular expressions. This is one part, okay. Then we have few formula or method based solutions. The first part, the second part. Then comes so-called context-free grammar. Okay. After that we have PDA concept, and finally we have Turing machine concept, and plus few theory related questions. So this is our overall question paper pattern usually, as we can see from the past history. So what you can do is, from my point of view, you can start from PDA questions, design PDA, okay. When you design PDA, you put the transition diagram, you put the instantaneous description, and you put the transition functions, okay. So here you will not have to spend more time from my point of view. So you can, if the solution is in your mind, definitely you can cover it within 10 to 15 minutes. Next, catch up on Turing machine. Okay. Here once again, transition diagram, instantaneous description, transition table you are supposed to put, and these both concepts are equivalent, so that you can tackle them if you know the solution, if you know how you can design the logic. So when you completely solve these two questions, you get some confidence. Later on, if at all you know the theory related questions, these are very mere percentage of questions that appear, okay, then you can catch up on this. Then next you can move towards context free grammar, okay. Here also write the grammar, okay, conclude your answer using so-called VTPS conclusion: variable, terminals, production, starting state. After you complete this, then you can go with this formula or method based solutions, like converting epsilon NFA to DFA, converting context free grammar into Chomsky normal form. So all these things, minimization of context free grammars, or so-called those different methods. Last part, you just concentrate there. So last 1 hour, you can keep it for this. Within 2 hours, you are supposed to clear all these things. When you clear majority of these things, you get a confidence. Then I hope your brain works for this particular concept. Okay. Now one more tip I hope you understood overall how we have to start. Okay. So one more tip I would like to give you is, as far as Turing machine concept is concerned, okay, Turing machine concept is concerned, what you do is, if at all the problem asked is pattern based, like a to the power n, b to the power n, c to the power n, you better replace these symbols A, B, C by any character X, Y, Z. Okay, and if at all the problem statement is like WWR or WCWR, something like that, so you better replace the symbols ABC whatever by blanks. So I hope this will help you in order to gear up with your solution. And if you are done with this, I think there will not be any glitches in facing the examination. And don't be panic, be relaxed, put your effort, prepare for the worst and hope for the best. All the best.